All right, y'all, today we are discussing how much money can you make doing Uber Black, making 2,000 bucks a week, all right? This is, a video for probably a select few of drivers who, are interested in doing Uber Black, who are not trying to just go out there and make $3 a ride. This is for the top earners, all right? So if that's you, hit the thumbs up button, subscribe for more content like this one. And if you are wanting to be a high earner, we have a new earnings opportunity right now for our viewers, where if you sign up with our link below, we will actually help teach you how to make money reviewing products. So if you do qualify, all you have to do is have a smartphone device, internet, and that's about it, in a little bit of time, around 30 minutes to an hour per day. So click the link below to sign up to start making money reviewing products, all right? And if some people are making hundreds of dollars per day doing that. And it's an incredible opportunity. I'm currently making around $100 per day just reviewing products. And it's pretty fun too. So click that link below. Otherwise, let's dive into this, all right? All right, so this comes from Ronnie SPE TV, 2,000 bucks a week, tips for Uber and Lyft driving in 2023. Let's watch this.
All right, so I'm waiting for my passenger, man. It's 5:21 a.m. They had a scheduled ride. They came downstairs, opened up the car door, said, fuck, I forgot my keys. That's what happens when you try to wake and bake and get high before work.
So he's waking up, my friends, at 5 a.m. to do Uber. That's how you make your money, all right? When everybody else is sleeping until 10, 11 a.m., Ronnie SPE TV is up at 5 a.m. making money. If you're doing Uber Black, guys, you want to make sure you're waking up early. And this guy, he's not even doing Uber Black, all right? But you can double your income doing Uber Black. Imagine that.
Be on your shit. Let's start this week's video.
2 racks a week. He's legit, guys.
And what's going on, people?
So let's just fast forward into his earnings and see how much he made.
260.
So in a day, this is how you got to do it, guys. 11 hours, 9 tips, 32 rides. That's actually more than I've ever done in a single day. I've never done 32 rides in a day. I think my most was like 25 rides in a day, and I was exhausted after that. But 11 hours on one platform on Lyft, 269, pretty good.
$9, not too shabby. Did 30.
So here was another day. Look at that, 2,403 bucks, guys, in one single week on Lyft. 68 hours, 2,400 bucks. And now let's look at this. Look at this. Uber Black drivers, guys, can earn between 100 to 200 bucks an hour. That's crazy. Uber Black drivers can earn $1,000 to $2,000 weekly, guys. This literally is life-changing money for so many drivers. However, you got to remember, what do they say about cars? It's the wealth killer. The #1 wealth killer is a car. Everybody talks about this. Well, not everybody, but a lot of YouTubers. This is the #1 way for you to get into debt, for you to, kill your life savings, is to drive a car. So one problem with doing Uber and doing Lyft and doing all these things is, yeah, you can make a lot of money, but you're also spending a lot of money as well. It's a car. The #1 wealth killer in America is driving a car, because they go down in value like crazy, okay? Look at this one, 2.8 million views.
One of the largest expenses that most people have actually sits in plain sight, and no, it is not your coffee habit every single day.
This was supposed to be...
It's actually your car. This is what we spend money on. So look at this, this depreciation, okay?
Pretty reasonable car, but I do want to draw attention to the fact that it could be costing you a lot more money than you might think. All right, so let's actually break down the costs here. The biggest expense on this Honda Civic is depreciation. So 99% of
a lot of people don't take into consideration at all that their cars are going down in value, which is kind of funny to me, but also it's like, I don't blame them, because car dealerships, they don't want you to think about selling the car and how you know, how much your car is going to go down in value. And especially Uber and Lyft don't want you to think that either.
Will depreciate or basically have a reduction in their asset value as wear and tear and time goes on. So car depreciation is one of the biggest reasons why I think investing your money in a car is a really bad idea, because as soon as you invest that money into a car, the depreciating asset, the value of that car goes down. So essentially you are putting your money in something that is bound to go down. If you want to save money on this category, I would suggest not buying a new car. So infamously, if you've ever heard this, whenever you buy a new car and you drive it off of the lot, it then becomes a used car, and immediately 10 to 15% of that car's value is taken off due to depreciation.
I would say even more than 10 to 50%. I would say it's around 20 to 30%. Yeah, just make sure, guys, that if you're using a car for Uber and Lyft, you're using a very used car, at least 5 years old, at least 6 years old. You do not want to be driving a newer car for Uber and Lyft. So anyways, guys, again, if you're interested in making money reviewing products, join the TikTok Shop Premium program down below. There's a 30-day free trial. And when you sign up, guys, just make sure it says 000. That way you can sign up and start making money reviewing products. Again, it's something I do. It's super easy and fun, and I think you will have a lot of fun too. Thanks for watching. Bye now.